In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Xbox support. This process is straightforward, and I will guide you through each step with clarity and precision. By following these steps, you can ensure that your concerns are addressed promptly by the Xbox support team. So, let's get started. First, go to the Xbox support website. This is your starting point for all support-related inquiries. You will see a clean, user-friendly interface designed to help you navigate easily. Accessing the website is crucial because it centralizes all support resources available for Xbox products and services. In addition, you can find helpful articles and FAQs that may resolve your issue even before contacting support. Once you are on the website, you will have a variety of options at your fingertips. Next, sign in with your Microsoft or Xbox account. This step is important because it allows Xbox support to access your account details. By signing in, you ensure that the support options displayed are tailored to your specific needs and situation. The sign-in process is straightforward. Just enter your email address and password associated with your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it on the sign-in page. Take your time with this step. Entering the correct credentials will save you time later on. Once you are signed in, select the Contact Us option. This link is prominently displayed on the support page and will lead you to the various ways you can get help. Clicking on this option will take you to a new screen where you can choose the product or service you need assistance with. This selection is vital because it directs your request to the appropriate support team that specializes in the area you are having trouble with. You will see categories like Xbox console, Game Pass, billing, or account. Choose the one that best fits your issue. After choosing a product or service, describe your issue in detail. Be clear and concise about what you are experiencing. This description is crucial as it helps the support team understand your situation right from the start. The more specific you are, the quicker they can assist you. Think about including any error codes or messages you have seen. This information can significantly speed up the troubleshooting process. Now, select the available support options. Depending on your issue, you may see several methods to connect with Xbox support. These options typically include a virtual agent, live chat, request a call, or community support. Each of these options has its benefits, so choose the one that fits your preference. For urgent issues, live chat or request a call might be the fastest ways to get help. This flexibility ensures that you can find the method of support that works best for you. Follow the prompts to connect with Xbox support. Each option will guide you through the next steps, whether you're chatting with a representative or waiting for a call. This part of the process is designed to ensure you are connected with the right person who can help resolve your issue. Just remain patient as you follow these prompts. Support representatives are trained to assist you effectively. By following these steps, you will be well equipped to contact Xbox support. Remember, having your account information ready before you start can streamline the process further. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to revisit the Xbox support website for additional resources. You can access Xbox support at support.xbox.com or support.microsoft.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get the assistance you need.